It was a sunny morning in the meadow. Lola, the little bunny, hopped happily among the flowers, her nose twitching with curiosity. Behind her waddled Pipi, the cheerful little duckling, flapping tiny wings and quacking softly with excitement. As they played near a small rock, Lola noticed something shining underneath it. She carefully moved the rock and found an old, rolled-up map. The map had golden lines and an X marked somewhere far away. Both Lola and Pipi looked at it in surprise. Their eyes sparkled with wonder. "We should go find the treasure," said Pipi, pointing at the X. Lola nodded excitedly. The two best friends decided to go on an adventure. They hopped and waddled across rolling green hills, laughing as butterflies danced around them. The sun shone warmly, and the soft wind carried the scent of flowers. Soon, they reached the edge of a friendly forest. Tall trees with leafy canopies created gentle shadows on the ground. Lola felt a little nervous, but Pipi smiled encouragingly. Together, they stepped inside the forest. Suddenly, they came to a small river. The water flowed calmly but blocked their path. Lola looked at the map and saw a path of stepping stones across the stream. Carefully, Lola hopped onto the first stone and helped Pipi cross safely. Pipi flapped her wings happily once on the other side, and Lola followed. They celebrated with a joyful hop together. Teamwork always makes the journey easier. After a little while, they finally arrived at a clearing marked with an X. The sun was setting, casting warm golden light across the meadow. Half buried under some leaves, they saw a small wooden chest. Lola and Pipi's hearts leapt with excitement as they opened it. Inside the chest was a glowing star-shaped gem and a little scroll with a heart drawn on it. The gem sparkled magically, and both friends realized that the real treasure wasn't just the gem, it was their friendship and all the fun they had together on this adventure. And so, under the soft glow of the evening sky, the little bunny and duckling hopped and waddled back home, hearts full of happiness, ready for their next adventure together. Moral of the story is, true treasure is friendship and teamwork.